안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami. This video is my 6-month dance update, but it stretches up to my 9-month mark. However, before we get into the video, I did want to make a quick announcement because we are partnering up with our dance studio to provide a free dance workshop for all of our NachoFam in the Greater Toronto area. So if you're interested, please come and dance with us. Refreshments will be provided. Michael, the kids, and I are going to be there, and we're going to set up a really cute photo booth too. So please RSVP with the link down below so that we can know that you are coming and have an estimate for how many of you will come. The event is absolutely free and we are super excited to see you there. On to the video. Hi, it looks super dusty right now. I apologize. 안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Nami입니다. Hi, it's Nami. Oi. But I did want to update you on my dancing. So I've been dancing for like 6.5 months now. It's been really good. Like, I am so happy that I chose to start dancing. At the beginning, I was really scared. It took me like 3 months from wanting to learn dancing to actually going and doing the classes. It's like the total opposite feeling of regret. Like, I'm so glad that I did it. And I tried to film this video with my instructor while I was doing her nails, but I wasn't able to use that footage. And one of the things that she asked me while we were filming that was, what would you say to those who want to start dancing but are maybe scared or don't really know where to start? My answer would be a question. Do you want to dance? And if you do, dance. Like, seriously, if you want to do it, do it. You will grow, you will learn, you will get better, and you will be amazing. Like, just keep at it and learn and work hard, and anyone can do it, honestly. Like, I feel like if your heart is there, your body will be there to learn it. Your body may not be there, like, physically to be able to do all the moves, but your body will be ready to receive it if your heart is ready to, and you just learn and practice and keep doing it, keep going. While I have been dancing, I noticed since my 3-month update, which was like a season ago, right? I really built a lot of confidence from just knowing and accepting that it's natural to make mistakes. Like, I think the first 3 months of dancing, I was really scared to make mistakes, and I felt like I looked really stupid or I looked like really newbie making mistakes. But it is normal. Like, I had to learn, like, it is normal. It's completely fine to make mistakes, and you just use those mistakes to figure out, okay, what did I do wrong? How can I do it better? And break down that move to make it look good. That really helped me with my confidence, because I think being scared of making mistakes really inhibited me from fully doing the choreo or the moves, and it also kind of inhibited me from having fun because I was feeling nervous and more scared the whole time. But when you actually want to learn the moves and when you actually don't mind as much about making mistakes, I feel like it makes it more fun. It makes the dancing more fun, and that in turn gives more confidence. I took a summer workshop for K-pop classes, and that was really fun. We filmed it at the end, and hopefully I'll be able to upload that cover very soon. I feel like now at this half-year mark, I can confidently like make my face look more relaxed and make my facial expressions more enjoyable. Like it's a performance. Like I have to act in a way to also. Another thing I mentioned in my live stream is that I got my second row of abs, guys. I got my second row of abs. You don't understand how I feel. It's like a mix of emotions. Like I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm looking forward to like next half a year from now, because hopefully by then I'll have like my 4th row of abs. If it took me 3 months to make my first row and 6 months in total to make my second row, I'm guessing it's gonna take 9 months to make my 3rd row and like a year in total of dancing to make my 4 rows. Keep working hard and keep at it. Like, I just feel so glad, and it's that feeling when you can actually see progress. Like when you're working so hard at something, like it's so hard and you don't really know if you're getting anywhere, and that could be very discouraging. But I feel like I'm so encouraged. I've never seen this since high school, and the only reason you could see my abs in high school is because I was like literally underweight. I was like a stick. But now it's like you could see my abs from my exercise. Like, you know what I mean? It's just so encouraging, and it makes me really thankful. To Michael. Like, Michael was really the one who pushed me to just go to class, because he knew how much I wanted to learn dance, and he knew how much like I wanted to for like a long time to actually go to classes, because I was having a hard time learning on my own. And he was the one who bought my dance cards for me so that I could take open classes. And even then, it took me like 3 months of having the dance class cards that he already bought to actually go and like not think so much about my fears of starting this new like learning curve, I guess. So I'm really thankful. Like, thank you, Michael, for always encouraging me and pushing me and wanting me to be the best me, like do the best. I would definitely encourage you as well, like if you want to learn something, like do it, just do it. There's nothing that you can lose from learning something except money and time, but what you'll gain, what you'll learn is so worth it. You know what I mean? Just do it. 그냥 해. Also, because I started taking classes for business, which land on the days that I usually go to dance class on Wednesdays, I was so sad because like I love taking the classes that I usually take on Wednesdays, but I think this is a new stage, the half-year point of learning dance, that I'm kind of being forced to challenge myself outside of my comfort level because I have started getting more comfortable with dance and with the classes that I'm taking, the hip-hop level 1. I'm now forced to not take those classes, and I'm kind of forced to choose another day to take classes, and it was hard, but it was so worth it. Like, you really have to keep pushing yourself and challenging yourself so that you can keep getting better. I think that's so necessary. Oh, it's been so good, guys. Honestly, like, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this update. I'm so excited, and I'll keep letting you know how the dance classes are going because I know a lot of you are interested in that. So, that's it. I'll see you soon. Bye.